In this video today, I'll give you the reasons why I think HUT has been falling for the past 2 months. I'll give you some positive news, and I'll finish off the video with my technical analysis of HUT8. Hey guys, welcome to Trending with Joan. Before I start today, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment only. It's been a rough couple of months for us HUT8 investors. Even with Bitcoin reaching all-time highs, the stock price of HUT keeps on falling. I wanted to show you that the foundations are still there, HUT is still making money, and I think why I am holding for the long term. In February, Bitfury, one of their initial investors, offloaded a bunch of shares so they can put that towards their R&D. Then in March, there was a $500 million share dilution. In April, Coinbase had the IPO, which I think caused a lot of selling off of shares in the crypto industry so people can move towards that IPO. In the same month, HUT was shorted up to 49% of the total shares available, which caused a massive downward pressure. Okay, on to some positive news. Even though HUT is trading on the OTC market, more institutions are adding them to their portfolio. For example, if you look at here, Amplify ETF, they've purchased over 8 million shares were purchased with a market value of just above 53 million. Pretty good. As you know, if they get listed on NASDAQ, then there'll be more institutions interested in purchasing HUT. Another positive news is that HUT has hired a company called Redchip. One of Redchip's services is that they help company go public. So hopefully this will help them uplist on NASDAQ. I know it's hard right now with the share prices being so low, but the foundations is still there. Keep in mind that HUT still mines roughly 6 to 7 Bitcoin a day. At current prices, that's roughly $420,000 per day in revenue. Keep in mind that Q1 financials should be coming out in a couple weeks. Interested to see what it looks like, and it could be a catalyst for the price to go up. Looking at the technical charts, as you can see here, after the first wedge, there was a pretty big jump in price. I see a second wedge forming. It's going to be looking like a pretty big wedge. It's hitting the support line, so I think if HUT can bounce off this support line I created, and if Bitcoin continues to rise in, I think we're off in a pretty good position. With all these factors mentioned and a potential uplisting to NASDAQ, I am definitely going to hold HUT for the rest of the year. Thanks for watching the video. Remember, I do have a website called trendingwithjoe.com if you want the latest stats and news for these miners. Bye.